Pattaya is a coastal city located on the Gulf of Thailand, approximately 147 kilometers southeast of Bangkok. Originally a quiet fishing village, Pattaya began to develop as a tourist destination in the 1960s when American soldiers on RNR discovered the area during the Vietnam War. The city is known for its vibrant nightlife, featuring numerous bars, nightclubs, and entertainment venues that cater to a diverse crowd. Pattaya hosts the annual Pattaya International Music Festival, which attracts both local and international artists, showcasing various music genres. The city boasts a variety of beautiful beaches, including Pattaya Beach, Jomtien Beach, and Nakua Beach, each offering unique experiences and atmospheres. Pattaya is home to the Sanctuary of Truth, an impressive wooden temple that combines elements of Buddhist and Hindu architecture and is entirely constructed from teak wood. The city has a tropical climate, characterized by a wet season from May to October and a dry season from November to April, making it a year-round destination for tourists. Pattaya is known for its water sports, including jet skiing, parasailing, and scuba diving, attracting adventure seekers from around the world. The Pattaya Floating Market, which opened in 2008, offers visitors a unique shopping experience with vendors selling local goods and food from traditional boats. Pattaya is famous for its street food scene, offering a variety of Thai dishes, including pad Thai, som tam, papaya salad, and fresh seafood. The city is a popular destination for LGBTQ+ travelers, known for its inclusive atmosphere and numerous gay-friendly bars and events. Pattaya hosts the annual Pattaya Pride Festival, celebrating diversity and inclusion within the LGBTQ+ community. The city is home to the Cartoon Network Amazon Water Park, the first water park in the world themed around the popular animated television network. Pattaya's Walking Street is a famous nightlife hotspot, lined with bars, restaurants, and clubs that come alive after sunset. The city has a large expatriate community, with residents from various countries, contributing to its multicultural atmosphere. Pattaya is known for its elephant sanctuaries, where visitors can learn about and interact with these majestic creatures in a responsible manner. The city offers a variety of cultural attractions, including the Art in Paradise 3D Art Museum, where visitors can take interactive photos with optical illusions. Pattaya is often referred to as the Asian Riviera due to its stunning beaches and luxury resorts that attract wealthy travelers. The Pattaya Viewpoint, located on Pratamnak Hill, offers panoramic views of the city and the coastline, making it a popular spot for photography. Pattaya is conveniently accessible by road and air, with Suvarnabhumi Airport and Utapao International Airport serving as the main gateways for travelers. The city features several golf courses, including the prestigious Siam Country Club, attracting golf enthusiasts from around the globe. Pattaya's nightlife is not limited to bars. The city also hosts cabaret shows, such as the famous Tiffany's Show, known for its extravagant performances. The city is home to the Nong Nuch Tropical Garden, a vast botanical garden featuring stunning landscapes, cultural shows, and a variety of plant species. Pattaya is a hub for marine activities, including island hopping tours to nearby islands like Koh Larn, known for its crystal clear waters and coral reefs. The city celebrates the Loy Krathong Festival, where locals and tourists release floating lanterns into the water, creating a magical atmosphere. Pattaya has a rich history influenced by various cultures, with remnants of its past visible in its architecture and local traditions. The city has a vibrant art scene, with local galleries and street art reflecting modern Thai culture and creativity. Pattaya's nightlife is often depicted in films and television shows, showcasing its reputation as a party destination. The city hosts various sports events, including beach volleyball tournaments and marathons, attracting athletes and spectators alike. Pattaya is a prominent destination for wellness tourism, offering numerous spas and wellness centers that provide traditional Thai massage and holistic treatments. The city has a variety of family-friendly attractions, including the Pattaya Dolphin World and the underwater world Pattaya Aquarium. Pattaya is known for its unique cultural experiences, such as Muay Thai boxing matches that allow visitors to witness this traditional Thai sport. The city features a vibrant shopping scene, with everything from luxury malls to local markets selling handmade crafts and souvenirs. Pattaya's nightlife is not limited to adult entertainment. Many venues offer live music, dance performances, and cultural shows. The city is a popular destination for destination weddings, with many resorts offering beautiful beachfront venues. Pattaya is home to the Pattaya Elephant Village, where visitors can learn about elephant conservation and interact with these gentle giants in a natural setting. The city has a diverse culinary scene, with restaurants offering international cuisine, including Italian, Indian, and Japanese dishes. Pattaya is known for its friendly locals, who often go out of their way to help tourists and share their culture. The city has a rich maritime history, with its fishing industry evolving into a thriving tourism sector. Pattaya is often regarded as a gateway to other popular destinations in Thailand, such as Koh Samui and Krabi. The city features several modern shopping malls, including Central Festival Pattaya, which is one of the largest shopping centers in the region. The city has a range of transportation options, including songthos, shared taxis, motorbike taxis, and car rentals for easy navigation.